This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the Opera web browser using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Opera web browser. To enable or disable dark mode, you want to first open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the three-dot menu. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to tap on Settings. Now in the Settings, you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Appearance. Tap on Appearance. And then it gives you three choices up at the top. Light, that's what I'm currently in, is light. You have System, and then you have Dark. If I tap on Dark, now I have enabled dark mode. And if I tap on light, I go back to light mode. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on the Opera browser using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.